Alright, so I'm back. So yeah, there was some new mods for FS25. Unfortunately, the Parker 2500 issue has not been resolved. So we're probably just gonna have to deal with it until Rooster Mods can figure out what the issue is. So yeah, it sucks that that wagon is having that many issues. What I am gonna do is when the Parker 400 comes out, I will give it a test run with, I want to say, probably the, I don't know, 4320, I guess, when the 4320 comes out. And yeah, then I'll just buy those two things and see if it'll work. If it can withstand a full harvest without having any issues, then there won't be any problem with that wagon. And then we'll have to see how the 2500 gets fixed. So it kind of sucks that that wagon is broken, but oh well. Yeah, he getting a nice big fat pile of beans on there. He might just be able to make it down to the end over here, but I doubt it. He probably won't make it back. So he's gonna try. I can't see anything now. Now I can see a little bit of the combine. God, look at all that, yeah, look at all that dust. Yep. He's had it. Here comes the semi. yeah, now we're just unloading. Straight from the combine into the truck. Tell you what, these have to be some damn good yielding beans if they're doing this. Yeah. So they will get done with this place tomorrow. Of course, I won't be here to see it, but I'll try and make the most of it the best I can. Sorry about that, you guys. Didn't mean to block the view. Go. So anyway, yeah, now we're back to not seeing shit. Hardly. So, yeah. You guys will give me a minute. I gotta drink some water here. Alright, so I'm back. Just finished up my water. Had to switch my headphones to the other pockets. That way I can lay down on the four-wheeler. Get some good video. If you guys remember, I did this for when we were at the Kramer farm. Don't mind the truck that just went by. But yeah. But anyway, some of you guys are probably going to wonder when the John Deere 7810 for FS25, some of you guys are probably going to wonder, well, you know, what am I going to do with that tractor on my farm? Well, to be honest, I don't really know. I mean, it's not the biggest tractor I have. And I mean, it's not the biggest tractor with only 175 horsepower. It's not like the 8400 where it's got 225. Anyway, yeah. So anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one.